Okay, so before the start of the video, a couple of housekeeping things to tidy up. So I got my gold patches, or got my patches done. So that's the 2023 one. I've had these previously, these ones as well. And I'll show you the other side of the jacket. So I have my new nickname, Cancer, 2023 on that one as well. I didn't get any 32 counties, but I'm on it this year. And so I'll be going for that. And then onto my summer jacket, which is patched also, and the same again. So it has Gold Star up there, you can see Gold Star up there, and then last year's one, and then all these ones, or last season's ones. And then over here then we have Chancellor on this side as well. So patched up and ready to go for 2024. Hello fellow rebels, and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we're here at Deise Library, and also it's a town hall. So we're up here for the 32 counties, and we're going to go inside, we're going to have a look around, and yeah, it's just nice to be back on the road after everything that's happened. We won't go too much into that, but just happy to be back on the road, happy to be doing the 32 counties. And don't worry if my lips are not syncing up with the words. The audio was not great. I actually had the waterproof casing over it, so the GoPro never took the audio properly. It's just really messy, and I'd rather do it this way than have that wind blowing through when I'm talking. So Bonnie's there, we're parked probably illegally, but anyway, we're going to go inside. We're going to take a look inside in the library. Yeah. Too busy drinking my tea, so I'm a bit busy inside, so I get a chat inside. But I hope you enjoyed the video today. I really enjoyed getting back out. I went to the shop classes. But yeah, I really enjoyed getting back out today. Like I touched on earlier, it's been a really difficult time. And I want to thank everybody for the support on the channel, and anyone who has messaged me privately as well. It really, really does help. You don't realise it until you're in a situation, and it's fantastic. So thank you very much. I really, really appreciate it. Back on the road adventure side, it's great to have it again. It's something I'm going to be leaning on a lot this year, and with my own travels as well. So it was great to go into a new county as Kildare. I've never been to Kildare on my bike either, so that's great. What else? Yeah, the town hall and the library were fantastic. I hope you enjoyed the library. It's a cool little place. I would like it to film more, but you know, those kind of places that can be private, very private as well. So luckily I have my chest cam on anyway, so got a bit of footage in there. And then the different road adventures then, so I got seasonal flowers. You'll see in all of it anyway, but just counting, I got seasonal flowers, I got town hall, which is 5 points, 1 point then for the hotel as well, but I might try to get some more on the way home. And just leaving Paulstown here in Kilkenny, so I might try to get some on the way home. If not, we'll be back out anyway. I tried to fit the bag to the tank, but the spray that I put on to take the water off after I washed it was a bit slippy, so it nearly slipped off when I was on the bike. Lucky enough I was only had to take it off on the road, so I pulled in, so it wasn't too bad. Otherwise than that, really enjoyed it. The sun is coming out and all that kind of stuff as well. So like, comment.